The next lesson is Harakaat. What are Harakaat? They are Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, and Fathatain, Kasratain, Dhammatain. Now, if you grew up in South Asian countries, you might have heard this. Fatha is Zabr, Kasra is Zer, Dhamma is Pesh. Fathatain is Do Zabr, Kasratain Do Zer, and Dhammatain Do Pesh. But for this course, we'll be referring to them as Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Fathatain, Kasratain, and Dhammatain. It's important to note that if any letter has any of these signs from 1 to 3, they'll be pronounced quickly and not stretched. So this would be ba, kha, ma, not ba, kha, ma. It'll be quick. Ba, kha, ma, ni, yi, wi, thu, su, hu. And similar these as well. Lan, tan, han, not lan, tan. They will not be stretched. Tin, shin, in, run, zun, dhun. Number 4 to 6, Fathatain, Kasratain, and Dhammatain are known as Tanween. Tanween and Nun Sakin are the same. We'll explain this a little bit more, just a little bit further ahead. So any of these above signs come, if a letter has any of these signs, then they are called a mutaharrik. So haraka, if any haraka comes on a letter, that letter is called a mutaharrik. Okay, this was explained. And then we have these two signs. So jazm or sukun is this sign right here, a circle. Or you may get, depending on which type of script you have, you may get, so in the curriculum it was this, you may have the comma or the half moon, or you may have a hat like this. So all the three of these are sukun or jazm. A letter with a jazm is called a sakin. A sakin letter has to be joined with the letter before it. So this noon over here has a sukun. So this whole thing is called noon sakin. And since this has a sakin, it has to be joined with the letter before it, which is a meme with a fatha. So this will be pronounced as man. This will be pronounced as ab. This will be pronounced as hum. Tajweed. Tajweed is the sideways 3, and the effect of a tajweed is the letter will be pronounced twice. So for example, lamma. Lamma. How was this pronounced twice? If you look at the actual pronunciation, it's so lam and then ma. So it's pronounced like this, right? Lam and then ma. So it was pronounced twice. And then inna and bassa. A letter with a tajdeed is called a mushaddad. So this is called the second part of this word is mim mushaddad. This is noon mushaddad. This is sin mushaddad. Okay, so before we mentioned that tanween and noon sakin are the same. So if you can see here, both of these examples will sound the same. This is pronounced as bun, and this is pronounced as bun also. And since these two are pronounced the same, later on we'll come across some rules which will apply to both of them. So it's important to remember that these two are pronounced the same.